welcome to my second video. My dad got home from his convention. Say hi.
Hi, Carl.
Oh my gosh. You might know him as Jay Hansen. He also makes YouTube videos. He is a very famous artist. We have a very creepy house because of him. And well, I was gonna make my ice cream. Would you eat this? Is this real? Well, it's not toxic. This is say it's edible, so. And this is my second video I'm gonna do today. I don't know what to do. So we're gonna do oh, I forgot something. Hold up. Okay, so I'm gonna be using scissors, and I dropped them. But why do I always drop my things when I record? My brightness isn't right. We're gonna cut my ice cream. Yay! This is terrible for the environment. Alright, so we're gonna snippy. It's gonna cut and see how it turns out. It's like ASMR. Everybody hates ASMR, but it makes me fall asleep. If you get used to it. And I'm cutting all these haters. All of these haters get chopped off. Yes, even the most famous, like Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie, Mikey Moon. Yes, Mikey Moon's what they call it. It's terrible. That made a weird noise. Ew. So I'll see you skip to 2:30 and you get to see what it looks like. Let's speed this up. Oh my gosh. Speedy. Alright, so we're done here. Cut step later. Okay. So this is how it turned out. It's like a tiger just scratched it all over. Like a serial killer just stabbed it all over. And this is how my ice cream turned out. Check out my dad's YouTube channel. This is Jay Hansen. Please don't hack him, because now you know his real name. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. This will be my second video making today. Every single day I'm going to make 2 videos. I hope you all enjoy. See you later, Soldier.